All right, so this one, it's actually the converse. It's like like I was saying, it's like a reverse. It's a reverse of the theorem. So this one says, if a line is drawn from the center of the circle perpendicular, there it goes. It says perpendicular to the chord, then it bisects the chord, or you can say it will divide the chord into two equal halves. All right, let's just see. All right, so it's perpendicular to the chord. Another way to say it is to say midpoint chord theorem, or if you want, but I stick with midpoint chord theorem, you can use what I'm underlining in blue, perpendicular from center to chord. Like I said, do not worry about these dotted lines here. Don't worry about those dotted lines at the moment. All right. So if a line is drawn from the center of the circle perpendicular to the chord, then that line bisect. Remember, bisect means to cut into two equal halves. So you can see here you've got 90 degrees. So what you can conclude is to say AM will be equals to MB. Those are the two things. All right. So in short, from what we have learned, I showed you this. I'm just going to draw some small circle here. Here's what I did. I said, okay, if they give you a circle, you've got a center. And then let me just do 4 of these guys here. All right, so I want to chop that one. Let me put one there, and then put the second one down there. And then I just want them to be 4 side by side. And then we do this. Yeah, there we go. This will give you this. I'm using an arrow, what you can conclude. So the first one on the left, I know it says 10 minutes here. Okay, the first one on the left, it says if these two lines are equal there, I'm marking them in red. So what you can do, even though you've got 2 reds there, what you can do, you are going to do it in yellow. It's 90 and 90. Once those 2 are equal, then I've got 90 there. The vice versa, it's also true. If I've got the 90, what you can do is to put the red. Those 2 sides are equal. Now, for both of them, the top and the bottom, you can use the same reason. You can tell them midpoint. There is a midpoint theorem in grade 10, but this one is midpoint chord, not just midpoint. It's a midpoint chord theorem. That will be your reason, and I'm going to put that in the box. Are we good?
Yes.
All right. Now I'm going to tell you what is associated with those two, with this theorem. What will come on that theorem? There's basically 3 things.